guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find and replace words in your entire Google Sheets workbook. So as you can see here, I'm working on this annual budget tracker here, and here it has 4 sheets. It has the setup, it has the expense, it has the income, it has the summary. And let's say I want to find and replace anywhere it says annual. I want to change it to, let's say, monthly, right? So how do you do that? Simply click on edit on the upper left hand side, and here you'll find and replace. Here you want to ensure that you have all sheets selected. That's the first thing, because that's going to go through the entire workbook, right? If it's you wanted it for a specific page, you could do it manually, or you can just choose a specific page and you would just say this sheet and it's going to work on that sheet only. But in this case, we want it to work on the entire workbook, right? Or all the sheets. So I'm going to look for the word annual, right? So, and then I'm going to replace this with the word monthly, right? So let's say that's what we want to do. And here you can say match case, so you can go through and just make some changes if you want to make changes here. But all you have to do is just go ahead and choose the word replace all, then click on OK, and then click on OK again, and it's going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see from this specific page here, it already shows the word monthly change here. If you go through different pages, you will notice that it is changed as well. So anywhere you will think that annual was shown, it will basically change this to monthly for you, and that's what's going to happen on that sheet. So, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how to go ahead and find and replace words on your workbook on Google Sheets, guys. Very easy and very simple.